The 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid has arrived, bringing a fresh wave of innovation and refinement to one of the most popular hybrid sedans on the market. This latest model continues to build on Honda's reputation for reliability and efficiency, while introducing a range of enhancements designed to elevate the driving experience. At first glance, the 2025 Accord Hybrid impresses with its sleek and modern design. The exterior features sharp lines and an aerodynamic profile that not only contribute to its sophisticated look but also improve fuel efficiency. The redesigned front grille and updated LED headlights give the Accord Hybrid a more dynamic and assertive presence on the road. The vehicle's streamlined shape enhances its aerodynamic performance, making it not only stylish but also more fuel efficient. Let's talk interior. Inside, the 2025 Accord Hybrid offers a spacious and comfortable cabin designed to provide an exceptional driving experience. The interior features high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and premium upholstery, creating a refined and upscale atmosphere. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large, intuitive touchscreen that integrates Honda's latest infotainment system. This system offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to access their favorite apps and navigation features effortlessly. Additionally, the Accord Hybrid includes advanced climate control systems and a customizable ambient lighting setup, ensuring that both driver and passengers enjoy a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Under the hood, the 2025 Accord Hybrid continues to offer impressive performance with its advanced hybrid powertrain. The vehicle is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output that ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. The hybrid system is designed to optimize fuel efficiency while providing ample power for acceleration and highway driving. With its well-tuned, continuously variable transmission CVT, the Accord Hybrid offers seamless gear transitions and a refined driving experience. This setup not only enhances performance but also contributes to the vehicle's impressive fuel economy, making it a practical choice for both city commutes and long-distance travel. Safety remains a top priority in the 2025 Accord Hybrid, which is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. The vehicle features Honda Sensing, a suite of safety features that includes adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, and lane keeping assist. These systems work together to provide an extra layer of protection and help prevent accidents. The Accord Hybrid also comes with a multi-angle rear-view camera, which provides a clear view of the area behind the vehicle, making parking and reversing easier and safer. Additionally, the vehicle's advanced sensor array and automatic braking system further enhance its overall safety performance. In terms of sustainability, the 2025 Accord Hybrid reflects Honda's commitment to eco-friendly driving. The hybrid powertrain not only reduces emissions but also improves fuel efficiency, helping drivers minimize their environmental footprint. The vehicle's battery pack is designed to be both efficient and durable, providing a reliable source of power while maintaining a low impact on the environment. Honda's focus on using sustainable materials in the Accord Hybrid's construction also contributes to its overall eco-friendliness, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious drivers. Pricing for the 2025 Accord Hybrid is competitive, positioning it as an attractive option within the hybrid sedan market. While it may be priced higher than some non-hybrid models, the Accord Hybrid's combination of advanced technology, fuel efficiency, and luxury features justifies the investment. The vehicle offers excellent value for money, especially when considering its impressive performance and low running costs. Overall, the 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid represents a significant step forward in the evolution of hybrid vehicles. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and focus on sustainability, it continues to be a strong contender in the hybrid sedan segment. Whether you're drawn to its elegant aesthetics, cutting-edge features, or exceptional fuel efficiency, the 2025 Accord Hybrid delivers a compelling package that meets the needs of modern drivers.